my name's Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to Ollie.
Nice.
That was a bad Ollie.
Whatever.
So don't do that. Alright.
First things first, this is 8 o'clock, obviously. And, so I'm going to do these every once in a while where I teach you a trick or something, or my friend teaches you a trick. Right now we're doing a skateboard. This is my friend Josh. And yeah, so it's 8 o'clock time. You know what that means, another video to do.
Okay.
So, yeah. But first off, always wear a helmet.
Yes.
Ours is, that's Josh's right there.
Yeah.
That's my scooter. That's Josh's helmet. But right now, so.
Alright, so yeah, like 8 o'clock said,
Whatever.
you should always wear a helmet, especially if you're a beginner. So, the first step of Ollieing is you want to just do this for 5 minutes. Just pop to the back and go up. Actually, no. If you're watching this, most likely you're a beginner skateboarder. Get good riding around, just riding around. That's step one. Then to start, popping the tail. Pop the tail, pop the tail. After you do that for a little while, you want to practice. Just have the tail down like this, foot on it. And then you want to practice going up.
Slide in your foot.
Sliding your foot up.
As you can see, he's wearing, what, Converse?
Vans.
And
so yeah,
And,
your shoes are gonna rip.
yeah, look
But
at that. You
welcome
can see his toe.
But welcome to skateboarding. Your shoes get destroyed. So you want to see white lines coming off of your board. You
Yeah,
want your foot to be sliding up the
You
board.
see that white line? Right there, in the middle?
All right.
That's what you want.
So do that for like 5 more minutes. Swiping up, swiping up. And once you've swiped up a decent amount for like 5 minutes, practice doing it at the same time. Like practice getting the choreography. Board flat, pop from the bottom, boom. Board flat, pop the bottom, boom. Board flat, pop the bottom, boom. Once you got that, that's pretty much all the steps for the Ollie.
And then you just got to
easy.
get quicker and quicker and quicker.
Yeah, and keep doing that, and then once you feel confident with that, you have to, so this is a problem most people have when they first learn how to Ollie. They end up not smacking the tail on the ground. And that was my problem too. But if you smack the tail on the ground, you get way more air. Like as you just saw with those two, that was no smack, this is with smack. Actually, no, that wasn't even with smack, but that's just
Here,
getting good at
I'll
the
get
other
down and see how much.
Here's with smack.
There.
As you can
Do
see-
non-smack? Non-smack? Yeah, you see that difference? He got from like, that's how much air he got first time, or with no smack, and then the second time he got like up there.
Yeah. So, yeah, smack is very important. So you want to just practice. So you want your front foot, the ball of your foot, like right here. You want it right here on the board. You want the ball of your foot, and you want to put down most of your weight, like right here or right here. And then you want your other foot, like kind of in the middle, or maybe just a little bit of your toes hanging off. Then all it is you have to pop the tail, your back foot comes off, and your front foot swipes up. It's like pop, jump, swipe.
Yeah.
And it might seem complicated, but it really isn't.
Oh,
And that was a bad attempt, I slipped.
whatever. Doesn't
yeah.
matter.
And see, I'm kind of rolling. So you want to practice this first stationary, no roll, that just makes it easier.
So like,
All right.
elevate the middle of your board so
Yes,
that the
or
wheels
do
come
it
off.
on grass.
Shut up.
Do it on giraffe. I'm a giraffe.
I'm recording for YouTube. Jesus.
I'm a giraffe. Okay.
Here. Happy birthday.
All right.
Hold that.
Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much the steps to the Ollie. It's not that hard. It's a lot more complicated than you think it is. It's easy, and once you get it, you could like Ollie 5 stairs, off curbs, up curves. It's easy.
It's one of the
remember
simplest
these
things to
steps.
do, but it also looks really cool.
So
Here.
for step 1, foot down. Do that for like 5 minutes. Step 2, down swipe. You want to see white lines coming off the board. Step 3,
White lines.
practice doing
White
it at the same
lines.
time. Boom, boom. And then once you got that, make sure the tail pops.
And
That's
then
your Ollie.
don't forget to smack.
Yes,
Okay.
and you should always wear a helmet also.
Yeah. Look,
Yeah.
look. 1 sec. There's his helmet. See, look.
Doesn't matter.
Put this on.
This will
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Last Ollie, sign off. This is 8 o'clock. Thanks for having me.
Actually, I'm Ale Clock. This is just my friend, but here, do that one more time.
All right.
Yeah. Peace out, y'all.